Okay, so within contacts, you don't really have a way to kind of manage their activity, right? You don't have a way to make notes or anything like that. But System has a new thing called pipelines. You get to it up here. To set it up, you can go in here to edit pipeline. You can change the name. I just have mine as test. You can add a different stage or you can remove a stage. So if you like don't negotiate or whatever, or you want to call it something else, you could delete it and then just add a different stage and name it whatever you want. So to add a contact, you can either create a new contact or add an existing contact. To add an existing, you just start typing. I'm going to type my test. And then you click save. And you can go into the client. So this right here shows when the contact was made, okay, 11:13 at 9:52 a.m. But then you can go in here and you can have notes. It'll show previous notes. So this is a note, save, and then you'll see previous notes. This is another note, save. See what I mean? You can go in and edit it or delete it. So you can have notes there. You can do, your basic editing with links and everything like that. You can email. If you click this button, it'll open it up in whatever client that you have configured in your system to open emails. More is just remove or open the contact. So if I did that, it would open up the other contact information. So that's it. So then as this is a new lead, push them into initial contact once you send the contact, and then once the proposal's sent, when you're in negotiation, and then it's just a basic pipeline. A cool thing that you could do is you can add them automatically into your pipeline by setting up an automation. So you just go here to automations and rules, and you would create a rule so that you have to figure out your process, your flow, and, depending on what you want them to do, where they would go in the funnel. So say you have them subscribe to a funnel, and then you would just choose the funnel. Then the action would be scroll all the way down, add to a pipeline stage, and you can put them in whichever stage you want them in, new leads or whatever, and then save the rule, and then they'll show up once they sign up for your thing, they'll show up in your pipeline. So that's something new that System added. It's pretty cool. It's very, very basic, right? It's a basic pipeline. System isn't a CRM, but they're trying to, kind of integrate everything. So I hope that helps.